Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. My name's Kathy Jarvis and it's in the middle of November and we had a nice warm day today, but as you can tell it's windy and the breeze is just a bit cool. So I really didn't get to do the things I wanted to do out here today, and there was a lot that needed to be done. As you can see, the pineys need to be cut back. I haven't got around to doing that yet. So I need to cut that back, clear up the daylilies that have died down, cut the sedum that needs to be cut down, and trim up the rose bush. Lots to do out here yet. But let's go out and look at the main garden and see what we've got in there to do yet. So we've had our killing frost, so we've got most of the things taken care of. But just let you know what's going on. We've got the grapes staked up. Blackberries are done. Strawberries have the leaves around them. We've got most of the beds already put to bed. I've got one yet that needs to be put to bed. These are done. I've got kale growing in that one yet, and kale growing in this one. I've got my rosemary plant here, which we will be covering for the night. I put a sheet over it first, and then I put the plastic over it because I do not want the plastic to touch the sheet, to touch the plant, because wherever the plastic touches, it basically kills the plant. I'm doing this one-handed, sorry. And I use these clips and clip it onto the PVC pipe, just as low as I can get them. There we go. So that will hold it in place. I still got the lima beans to hoe up. Haven't got around to doing that yet. In here I've got parsnips and some that need to be pulled, they're ready, and some turnips. Inside the sprout house, we still have the broccoli sprouts are doing wonderful. The coleus we lost. Carrots are doing okay. They're ready to be harvested. They will be harvested next week for Thanksgiving. And then I've got the petunias here, and I've still got some blackberry startings that look like they're going to take. I got at least one. Now, these all started out really well, and then I read somewhere that I was supposed to mist them to keep them moist. So I went and I misted them a few days, and the ones I misted died. I mean, they completely died back, as you can see. Here's the starts that were starting, and then when I missed them, they died. So next cuttings I take, I will not be misting. So that's all I have growing in here, and everything looks well. I do need to empty this water. We can't leave water setting even in a greenhouse when it's supposed to get down to freezing at night. Okay, I have to put you down to do that. All right. Okay. Now we'll go look at the other stuff. I still need to work on the orchard, the trees. I need to put some straw around them. I need to clean out this spent flowers annuals. Haven't got that done yet. Greenhouse, as you can tell, the Brussels sprouts are doing really well. Oh yeah, they're ready. Almost to the point where they're getting past that stage. So far, this has worked out really well for the peppers. They managed to stay green. We got kale coming up. The carrots, you have to look real close, but you can see them. We got lettuce, spinach, the lettuce, and then I got little ones coming up that I planted the second time. Turnips are looking really well. Get the leaf out of the way so you can see them. Yep, we'll be harvesting turnips for Thanksgiving. The garlic is up. Peas are blooming in here. Broccoli have grown tremendously since I saw last, and so has the cabbage. Celery is looking really well. It's time to start harvesting some of those to use. They're not real big stalks, but since they got underneath that tomatoes, so vines and stuff, I'm actually surprised they're even alive. Just see the beets and the radishes are looking good. There's the radishes. Yeah, I got more cauliflower in there. It looks like I got some red tomatoes over there. So, actually, I'm not too disappointed in how the plants in the greenhouse are doing. And I will have to come in here and water tomorrow. I water the greenhouse about twice a week now. And so I'm not having to water every day like I was before. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour, and I will see you later. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you would, please. Share it with your friends. That always helps. And hit the bell icon so you know where I'm on next. If you have any comments about what you're growing in your area, in your greenhouse, let me know. And remember, like always, dream big and follow that dream. Bye.